In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the quantity option in WooCommerce. This is a simple tweak that can save you from a lot of hassle, especially if you run a store where the quantity feature doesn't serve your needs. Let's get started by diving right into it. First off, we'll need to access the customization settings on your WordPress site. To do this, you'll want to go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Appearance on the left-hand side. This is the key area where you can manage how your site looks, and it offers a wide range of customization options that are extremely useful. Click on Appearance, and it will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Customize. Now you're in the WordPress Customizer. This tool allows you to see changes in real time and is very handy for making quick adjustments to your site without affecting your live website until you're ready. Once inside the customizer, you'll need to look for a section called Additional CSS. CSS, as you might already know, stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is used to style and lay out web pages. Additional CSS is a convenient place for adding custom styles that override existing themes and styles that are set by default. Click on Additional CSS, and you'll open up a text box where you can enter your own custom CSS code. Now, here's the part where we actually remove that pesky quantity option. You will need to paste a specific CSS code into the text area that you've opened. If you're not sure what the code looks like, take a moment to find the appropriate CSS snippet that hides the quantity field on WooCommerce product pages. You should be able to easily locate this code by doing a quick search online. Once you have the right CSS code, paste it into the Additional CSS section. You should see any changes reflected in the preview area immediately. Make sure everything looks good and that the quantity option is indeed hidden from your product pages. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Publish button. This button is usually located at the top of the screen and will save all the changes you've made in the customizer, so they're applied to your live site. Take a moment to refresh your site's front end and check that the quantity option is no longer there on your product pages. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully removed the quantity option from your WooCommerce store. This little adjustment can make a big difference in how your customers interact with your product listings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site.